Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching cost sheet. Cost per unit. So let us start with question number 4. Prepare a cost sheet showing the total and per ton cost of paper manufactured by Times Paper Mills Limited for the month of March 2014. There are 26 working days in a month. Also find the profit earned by the company. The details are as under. So in the given table, the cost sheet elements are given. Under direct raw materials, paper pulp 6,000 tons at the rate of rupees 900 tons are given. Under direct labor, 280 skilled workmen at the rate of rupees 250 per day. Per day will be 26 working days in a month. Next, 300 semi-skilled workmen at rupees 150 per day. 470 unskilled workmen at the rate of rupees 100 per day. Under direct expenses, special equipment's hire charges is given as rupees 12,000 per day. Special dyes rupees 250 per ton of total raw material input. Under works overheads, variable at the rate of 50% of direct wages. And for fixed overheads, rupees 2,70,000 per month. Next, administration's overhead at the rate of 12% of works cost. Next, selling and distribution overheads, rupees 80 per ton sold. Opening stock of paper is given as 500 tons valued at rupees 2,501.60 per ton. Closing stock of paper is given as 300 tons valued at cost of production. The paper is sold at the rate of rupees 3,000 per ton. So let us start preparing cost sheet. Times Paper Mills Limited cost sheet for the month ended 31st March 2014. So first let us start with direct materials. Paper pulp 6,000 tons at the rate of rupees 900 tons. So raw materials 6,000 into 900. So the total cost will be rupees 54 lakhs. Tons will be 6,000 and cost per ton will be 900. Part B, direct wages. 280 skilled workmen at rupees 250 per day. So 280 into 250 into per day, that is 26 working days. So the amount of skilled workmen will be 18,20,000. Next, 300 semi-skilled workmen, rupees 150 per day. So we'll record it under direct wages. Semi-skilled workmen 300 into 150 into 26, that is number of working days. So the amount will be rupees 11,70,000. Next, 470 unskilled workmen, rupees 100 per day. So 470 into 100 into 26. So total amount will be 12,22,000. So the total cost of direct wages will be rupees 42,12,000. Tons will be 6,000 and cost per ton will be 702. Part C, direct expenses. Special equipment's hire charges is given as rupees 12,000 per day. So rupees 12,000 into 26, that is number of days. So the total amount will be rupees 3,12,000. Next, special dyes, rupees 250 per ton of total raw materials input. which will be 250 into 6,000. So the total amount will be 15 lakhs. So the total cost of direct expenses is rupees 18 lakh 12,000. Tons is 6,000 and cost per ton is 302. Part D, prime cost. So the total prime cost will be rupees 1 crore 14 lakh 24,000, 6,000 tons, and cost per ton will be rupees 1,904. Part E, works overheads. Variable is given as 50% of direct wages. So 50% of 42 lakhs 12,000 will be rupees 21 lakh 6,000. Next, fixed rupees 2 lakh 70,000. So we'll record it under works overheads, rupees 2 lakh 70,000. So the total cost of works overheads will be rupees 23 lakh 76,000. 6,000 tons and cost per unit will be 396. Part F, works cost. So the works cost will be 1 crore 38 lakhs 6,000 tons and cost per ton will be rupees 2,300. Next, administration overheads at the rate of 12% of works cost. So 12% of 1 crore 38 lakhs will be rupees 16 lakh 56,000. Tons will be 6,000 and cost per ton will be rupees 276. Part H, cost of production. So the total cost of production will be rupees 1 crore 54 lakh 56,000, 6,000 tons and cost per ton will be rupees 2,576. Next, opening stock of paper, that is finished goods, is given as 500 tons valued at the rate of rupees 2,501.60 per ton. So we'll add it 500 into 2,501.60. So the total amount will be rupees 12,50,800. Tons will be 500 and cost per unit will be nil. Next, closing stock of paper, that is finished goods, is given as 300 tons valued at cost of production. So less closing stock of finished goods. So 300 into 2,576, that is cost per unit of cost of production. So the total amount will be rupees 7,72,800 and tons will be 300. Cost per ton will be nil. So cost of goods sold will be rupees 1 crore 59 lakh 34,000. Tons will be 6,200 and cost per ton will be 2,570. Next, selling and distribution overheads is given as rupees 80 per ton sold. So selling and distribution overheads will be 80 into 6,200, that is per ton sold. So the total cost of selling and distribution overheads will be rupees 4,96,000. Tons will be 6,200 and cost per ton will be 80. Part M, cost of sales. So the cost of sales amount will be rupees 1 crore 64 lakh 30,000. Tons will be 6,200 and cost per ton will be rupees 2,650. Part N, profit. Next, the paper is sold at the rate of rupees 3,000 per ton. So sales will be 6,200 units into rupees 3,000, which will be 1 crore 86 lakhs 6,200 tons and cost per ton will be rupees 3,000. So the profit will be the balancing figure. that will be rupees 21,70,000. Tons will be 6,200 and cost per ton will be rupees 350.